I'm going to show you my way of taping up a screen. It's just to make life a little bit easier when having to clean up. You actually generally find that if you do print and you get ink inside here, it's a real pain in the ass to try and get it out, or to try and clean it up, put it that way. And you use a lot of chemicals, you waste a lot of chemicals trying to get the screen clean. Try and tape up as much of the screen, especially the areas that are non-printable. What I mean by that is all these areas over here. Obviously you need space for your squeegee stroke, so obviously we don't tape up too close to the print area, but generally in the inkwells and that sort of thing, tape those areas up. When you're finished, and I'm going to show you now, all you have to do is pull away the tape, throw the tape away, and then just clean this area where the ink is. So basically I generally start off from one side, I let the tape, get it right into that groove. Right. You don't have to be too fancy with it, because you are going to throw this away at the end of the day anyway. But it just makes life a lot easier. Just break it down into there, tape it up. And do this all the way around. And I know that sometimes this can be a little bit tedious because it takes away the time from printing, but I assure you the time lost in printing, you're going to get it all back when you have to start cleaning up the screen. Make sure that the tape is nice and flush against the mesh so that no ink gets underneath it. And there you go, basically that's all you need to do. It didn't take too long. You can get a lot neater if you wanted to, but like I said, it's not really that important. Customer doesn't really know anything about this, so he just wants his print done correctly. You just want to save yourself some time on the cleaning process. Like I said, once you've actually finished printing, you only need to clean that section. The rest of the tape you pull away, throw away, and your screen is clean. It saves you a lot of time, a lot of chemicals.